are you doing?
Jake, this country doesn't need another poor bird. Pull yourself together. You're an embarrassment.
I'm sorry, Mr. President. I just...
Jesus! Sniper! Cover the president! Take him down!
We can't find him. He's too well hidden. Only someone with the skills of Bullseye could find him.
AWM, wind speed 3 miles per hour.
The suspect's position has been identified by our radar, Captain Ryan.
Let's go. All clear.
Did someone stop the bullet? It came from that direction. Was it him? Was I wrong about him?
Thank you, sir. Mr. President, the area is secured.
Dad, are you okay?
I'm fine, sweetheart. Captain Ryan saved my life. Thank you.
It's my duty, sir.
Youngest SWAT captain. Best sniper after Bullseye. Country could use more heroes like you, son.
Thank you, Mr. President. Jake? What did you do?
Captain Ryan, this homeless guy disrupted the president's speech.
They made me drop my beer. You should get me another one, brother. And I'll take it from here. No, even if you are my brother, I still have to uphold the law. Then I'll bail you out. Half brothers.
How is that bum even related to Captain Ryan?
Hey! Hey! Give that back! That's worth more than my fucking life!
You're a total disgrace to our family. Look at you now. You're a homeless drunk. You're no son of mine.
You kicked me out 3 years ago. You remember that? Mr. Ryan, you and I have nothing to do with each other. And what I do is none of your business.
How dare you talk to me like that?
Hey, Dad, don't be mad at Jake. The death of his wife was just too much for him.
No, his wife died because she couldn't stand having an abusive, alcoholic husband. Do not bail him out, Theo. You are the pride and hope of our family. Just leave this hobo to rot in the dumpster. That's what he wants to do.
Good acting, brother. I would have believed it if you didn't kill my wife. I'm Jake Ryan, an American sniper. Codename, Bullseye. Because of the secrecy of the mission, I was tasked to be an undercover alcoholic. My wife knew that this wasn't who I really was, but she never asked any questions. She was always on my side. 3 years ago, I came home after completing a mission. That was when I lost her forever.
Jasmine! Jasmine, what happened? No, 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 no. Don't die. Please, please. No, 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 no. What happened?
It's Theodore.
What? Shut the fuck up!
Jake is gonna kill you.
So you'd rather be with my loser brother? You want to be with your loser husband rather than submit to me, huh? I know you want me. I know you want it. No. Jasmine! 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 Fuck. I cannot be a murderer.
He made it look like a suicide and spread the rumor that Jasmine did it because I abused her.
Jasmine! No, 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 please.
And everyone bought it. It only makes sense that an alcoholic would abuse his wife, especially when the rumor was spread by my brother, the family's golden son.
Get out of my house! You're not my son anymore! Get out!
I couldn't even protect my wife. I don't deserve to be called a hero. So I quit the army. And I became a bum for real. Atonement and a disguise. I will kill my brother myself for vengeance, my love. But before that, I need to gather the evidence and make sure the world realizes what a scumbag he really is.
Mr. President, the Navy is setting a blockade on the Crimean Sea.
We do.
But, come in.
Sir, I'm afraid the casualties of the terrorist attack are stacking up. We're gonna have to expedite our mission.
Selena, I want to catch these terrorists as bad as you do. But we can't rush into this without full preparation, especially with you on the team.
Ted.
Mr. President, the competition to find the best sniper to be Miss Grant's partner has been arranged. This is our list of candidates.
Sick contributing. Mr. President, you don't know me.
Yeah. I want to add somebody to the list. See if they qualify as a candidate.
No one is worth our attention except Bullseye. Who is he?
A homeless man.
A homeless what?
He is either a nobody or he is a hidden legend.
Didn't even notice me, huh? Are you actually homeless? Or are you just pretending to be? I guess taking his most precious item will reveal what he's actually capable of.
Look, lady, I'm fine if you want to ogle at my dick, but you touch my necklace, and I'll break your wrist.
Who the fuck ogled you, pervert? Shut your dirty mouth before I cut your balls off and put them in it. How did he move so fast?
Did you pass your shooting test?
You're just fucking lucky. The next bullet will go through your fucking skull!
Ah, shit!
He predicted that bullet's trajectory to the millisecond. How is that possible?
Why did he choose to identify as a bum? I mean, nobody in our military has reaction speed like that. Not even SEAL Team 6. I want you to find out everything you can about this guy.
Copy that, Mr. President.
Hey, you missed. Again.
You're lucky there's water in my eyes. You should be a corpse by now.
My ears work fine, asshole. Now you don't stand a chance.
Oh, you're all wet. Do you want to kill me or fuck me?
You're fucking dead.
Hey, who the fuck locked the toilet?
Don't let me see you again, bastard.
I have never met a woman so fiery.
That bum is definitely not who we're looking for. He is nothing but a pervert.
Well, no one has ever bested you like that, sweetheart.
That was pure luck. My eyes were hurt. Dad, just forget about him, okay? We have other candidates to look at. I'll go change.
Put that guy on the list.
You sure? Selena hates him.
I don't care. This guy may be the best option to protect her. I want my daughter safe on her mission.
Copy that.
Gentlemen, today, a sniper will be selected to marry my daughter, Commander Grant.
Fake marriage, of course. I will be going undercover with my selected partner and lead the anti-terrorist mission.
My Chief of Staff, David Clark, will be judging.
What an honor to be selected. Only the best man wins.
All the candidates are the best of the best. Jesus, these are one of the most skilled shooters in this country, especially Theodore Ryan. No one can beat him except Bullseye.
At ease.
Winning this, that'll be a piece of cake.
That's my son in the SWAT uniform. He's going to nail this.
Let's begin.
One moment, Selene. I'm adding another candidate to the list.
What? Who?
Jeez, Jake Ryan? Jeez, Jake Ryan?
He's the homeless trash rejected by his own family.
And he's a criminal. Seriously, what are they thinking?
What do you think you're doing here, brother?
None of your business, brother.
Dad, care to explain?
Everyone, I know there's a bit of confusion around our latest candidate, Jake Ryan. But let me be clear. If we're going to continue this war on terror, we're going to need better recruitment numbers. That means more citizens to join the Army. His involvement will send a clear public message of support and encouragement for our military.
Why did the president assign me to this contest? Does he know?
Thank God it's him. It's not like he can win anyway. I would never marry that homeless pervert, even if it's fake.
Selena, your safety is my only concern. Besides, you signed up for this mission, so no matter who wins out there, you will marry him, even if it's Jake.
Mr. President, I am sorry to interrupt, but I don't think Jake should be part of the selection process. He's really not fit for the mission. He's a complete embarrassment.
Yeah, Jake, I think it's better if you leave, for everyone.
Hey, that's fine by me. I'm happy to drop out, Mr. President. I have zero interest in marrying that daughter of yours.
What did you say?
Is this another excuse? What exactly are you hiding, Jake?
You still have 6 months on your sentence behind bars, correct?
Yep.
You do this, you participate, and I'll pardon the rest of your jail time.
You're kidding. Well, shit. If that's the case, then count me in.
Dad, seriously? We're just handing out presidential pardons like candy now? I don't even see how he's worthy.
Mr. President, please, you do not have to do this. My other son is plenty good enough.
Jake is in. End of discussion.
Gentlemen, choose the firearm you want to use for the test.
I can't reveal too much in front of this murderer before I have all the evidence. Guess I'd better stick to my homeless loser character. Hey, bro, how do I use this thing? Do I just like...
You fucking idiot! Are you trying to get me killed?
Sorry. My bad. Hey, you'll forgive me, right? I've always been such a kind brother.
Of course. No matter how much you fuck up, can't be mad at you.
Why is he hiding what he's capable of? Jake, what do you really want?
According to our source, Jake Ryan has been investigating his wife's death.
In that case... Everyone, I'm upping the stakes in this competition. The winner will become the new head of Delta Force.
The head of the Delta Force? That's the dream position for every soldier. Even the SWAT captain would be nothing compared to it.
Head of Delta? Someone in that position is able to access all of the case files. I'll have all the evidence I need if I win. Guess I'll have to play for real now.
The candidates from the Navy SEALs and Army have both won the expert marksmanship medals. They are way out of this homeless guy's league.
His brother, Theodore Ryan, is the better between the two of them. Unless this loser is secretly Bullseye, he'll lose this for sure.
The first round will be fixed targets. The smaller the target you hit, the better score you get.
Well, looks like Theodore Ryan has it in the bag. His asshole brother never stood a chance. Where is that bum?
Come on, Jake.
Mr. Ryan, it's your turn.
Your son passed out during the test. What an embarrassment, Mr. Ryan.
Oh, I'm sorry. I fell asleep while I was waiting. My turn, huh?
Yeah. He hit the largest. Jake Ryan has a low score.
Told you not to embarrass yourself, brother.
Told you, Dad. That bum had no chance of marrying me.
I won. Are you delusional? I think that alcohol's messing with your brain. Just go check it.
Jake Ryan hit a fly. Technically, it's the smallest target, so he won the round.
He did what?
How's your ego holding up, brother? Does it sting that I stole your spotlight?
It was a lucky shot, and luck won't always be on your side.
Oh, it will. Believe me, I'll make sure of it. And I'm gonna take number one from you.
The second round will be trap shooting. The candidate that shoots the clay pigeon the fastest wins.
I have a suggestion. How about we change the target to grenades and have them fly towards the shooter?
Holy shit! That's crazy! If the grenade doesn't get hit before it drops, the shooter will get torn to pieces by the explosion.
Obviously, I can't publicly condone this, but if all the candidates are in agreement, anyone can forfeit at any time.
We're all the best in the nation, are we not? Why not pick an event that actually determines who the best is? Unless we have some cowards in this field among us.
No. Piece of cake, right?
I mean, come on. People's lives shouldn't be lost because of this stupid game.
Are you getting scared, brother? Do you want to back out? No one will blame you. Because everybody knows what kind of man you are. A homeless loser.
That hobo is dead meat if he takes that challenge. Get your ass out of this game, Jake. It'll cost you your life.
Game on, brother. But don't cry like a little bitch when you realize I'm better than you.
You are a homeless, drunk criminal. I can't imagine a world where you're better than me at anything.
Yeah, we'll see, shall we?
Don't fuck this up. Okay, you could do this.
That guy is a 5-time national quick draw champion. Look at him, he's shaking.
A real soldier wouldn't be afraid. David, make sure he gets medical attention.
Hey, you okay? We'll get you up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Shit. I can't let this stupid contest cost more lives. Pull it.
He hit that in 0.53 seconds.
Jesus! Theodore's shooting skill is truly remarkable.
That's right. Bullseye's the only one that can beat me. You don't stand a chance. But I'll be there to pick up your remains after you go.
It's your turn.
What is he doing?